Step 1, get a green pepper. Chop that pepper up into little nice and sliced and diced pieces. Step 2, season that thing. A little bit of onion powder. A little bit of garlic powder. We're gonna season this kind of heavy. And a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. Now you might notice that this might be a lot of seasoning, but there's a reason for this. Now, with all your special ingredients and not, you're gonna mix all this together. You're gonna season up these green peppers. These green peppers all seasoned up in that love sauce. It might have looked like a lot, but it wasn't a lot. So here we go. This is some ground beef here. You usually have the ground turkey. So they will do some ground beef. Now, you're gonna take your ground beef and you're gonna put it into your seasoned green peppers, which means you don't gotta season your ground beef. So this is my world's famous green pepper burger recipe. So season your green peppers and you're gonna mix all this together. And here we go. And here we go. Got the green peppers inside the ground beef, fresh ground beef. Just finish go ahead and push through the machines. Now the season is all throughout the burger meat here because the green peppers are seasoned, and you're gonna have that beautiful flavor of the green peppers into that burger meat. So let's pat these babies up. And here we go. That's how you look on the grill right now. Turn that one off. So we put the green pepper burgers on the grill. So they can't grill outside, as long as we grill in the house, you know what I'm saying? So I got a red onion, and I have some mushrooms. So I got the mushroom and red onion chopped up. Just gonna bless it. A little bit of salt. Some pepper only. That's all you need. That's all you need. Just mix it up a little bit. That's all you need. Alright, rinse them off. I cut them down. I rinse them off. A little bit of water. That's it. I have a little bit of little olive oil and have a teaspoon of some butter. Mix that together. Nice and hot. Put that in there. Let's do it, man. Mix that up in there. Give it a nice little mix. Put that baby right back on fire. High flame, high flame. Y'all know good and well. This is the part of the barbecue when you grab your bread and start slowly walking to the grill before anybody else do. Or before I can get the damn burgers in the pan, here you come with your bread standing next to the grill. This is the alarm when you see that cheese starting to melt. I don't usually Taco Tuesdays, but we gonna do Burger Tuesday.